Car tuning is much more than just a hobby. It's a true declaration of love for your car, a way to transform it into a unique extension of your personality. Picture this: a vehicle that turns heads, roars with power, and exudes luxury and performance. That's exactly what tuning can offer. And today, we're diving into this fascinating world together. Car tuning is the art of customizing every detail of your car to make it one of a kind. Whether it's boosting the engine, adding an exhaust that growls like a beast, or transforming the exterior with dazzling paint and custom rims, every modification tells a story yours. It's not just about style. It's also a quest for performance. A more powerful engine, optimized suspension, adjusted electronic mapping. These modifications aren't just there to impress. They literally transform your driving experience. But tuning isn't limited to what you can see. Inside, everything can be reimagined. Leather seats, a high-end audio system, a sports steering wheel, and even touchscreens to add a modern touch. Your interior becomes a sanctuary, a space where comfort and technology merge to provide you with an unmatched driving experience. However, succeeding in a tuning project requires preparation and expertise. You can't just modify your car randomly. You need to define your goals, respect local regulations, and most importantly, work with professionals to ensure quality and safety. Yes, safety should always be a priority. A powerful engine without the proper brakes or poorly adjusted suspension can turn your dream into a nightmare. That's why it's crucial to work with experts and invest in quality parts. What makes car tuning so exciting is the emotion it stirs. There's unparalleled satisfaction in seeing your vision come to life, hearing the roar of your modified engine, or admiring your car under the spotlight. It's also a way to join a community of enthusiasts, share your love for cars, and shine on social media, where a well-modified car can quickly go viral. But beware, tuning is an art. Overdoing it, whether in design or performance, can ruin the aesthetics and functionality of your vehicle. Balance is the key to transforming your car into a rolling work of art that never goes unnoticed. So, if you dream of breathing new life into your vehicle, making it more beautiful, powerful, and unique, car tuning is for you. Get ready to transform your car and become part of a community of enthusiasts who share the same passion. Don't miss this opportunity to elevate your vehicle and drive a car that truly reflects you.